PayActiv Express Loan Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing PayActiv Express Loans, and the links to the product are included in the description below. Let's break down what PayActiv offers, its features, and how it stands out in the Express loan space. PayActiv is a financial wellness platform that provides access to earned wages before payday. It's designed for employees who need quick access to a portion of their earned income, offering a convenient way to manage unexpected expenses without resorting to payday loans or credit cards. The process is fast, straightforward, and accessible directly through PayActiv's app, making it an excellent option for those in need of immediate cash. The main feature of PayActiv is its ability to provide up to 50% of earned wages before your paycheck arrives, which helps avoid the cycle of high-interest loans. This is perfect for individuals who need money for emergencies, such as medical bills, car repairs, or unexpected home expenses. The best part is that PayActiv offers these funds without charging interest or hidden fees. Instead, they charge a flat fee for each transaction, making it clear what you're paying up front. The platform is also built for convenience. The app allows you to view your earned income, request funds, and even pay bills directly. PayActiv is available to employees whose employers partner with the service, so access may depend on your workplace. However, for those eligible, the app allows for fast transfers to a debit card or bank account, usually within a few hours. Another benefit is that PayActiv doesn't require a credit check, making it accessible even for individuals with less than perfect credit. While the service is not a long-term loan solution, it can certainly help in times of need without the burden of high fees and interest. In conclusion, PayActiv Express Loans provide a flexible, low-cost option for those looking to access earned wages before payday. It's perfect for employees needing emergency funds without turning to high-interest loans. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more information on how to get started with PayActiv.